Look, y'all, check it out. Hold on. Let me get out of the street light. Y'all see it. Hold on. You about to see it. Let me get past the light. There you go. See him? It's an observation plane flying over my fucking house. Again. Check it. Let's see. Let me get standing still. Let's see. Let's watch him for a minute. See him creeping? See, my house is down that way. I'm up the street from my house just a little bit. But you see how slow, see, my house is on the other side of that house. Y'all see, look. See how he's just creeping? I ain't so sure that ain't I think that's a chopper. That is a chopper. That is a chopper. That is not a plane. That is a friggin' chopper. That is a chopper checking out my house. Y'all see that right? That is not a plane. That's a friggin' chopper. Yep. That is a chopper checking out my house. They're probably trying to read they read my energy signature. I know what they're doing. They got tools and shit on there so they can read my energy signature. It's crazy, ain't it? Dude, I live in Mayberry. This is not a place where choppers and shit's just flying over. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's a chopper. That is a damn chopper. Show is. Anyway. Hey, look, I bet some of my orbs are in these woods. Let's see. See if we can find. See if any of my babies are in the woods. Where they at? Watch, I bet we find somebody. Let's see here. Maybe not. Ain't none of them over here. There's some up high though. We can go up high. Look. There's some of my babies up high. Yeah. See him? Right there in the middle. Let's see. Let's go down here and look. Let's see behind these houses. I bet you there's some back here behind the houses. Watch this. I guarantee somebody's going to see. Look, wait. No. No, that's a car. That isn't. Wait a minute. There he is. Look. I told you he'd pop up, didn't I? You see that? There's one of my babies right there. Y'all seen him pop up? Let's see if I can get closer. See how he's getting smaller? He's changing shape. See? Watch. He's dwindling into nothing. He's letting y'all see that he's bright. Now he's not bright. Watch. He's dimming himself. He's dimming himself for y'all guys. So y'all see. Pretty cool, huh? Choppers. Oh, see, he disappeared. You see that right? See how he disappeared? Look, there's another one trying to come out. Anyway, here comes a car. I gotta get out of the road. Anyway, y'all, it's crazy, right?